Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a quick project share and sort of a kind of little mistake that I made. Anyway, so I was playing around on my Cricut and I was making a little, I made this similar before for a swap that I did for To Make Up a Scrap the World, I guess a year or so ago. And I want to make these little 3x3 note cards. So this is for on my Cricut, but the cartridge is Girls Makeup Night, Girls Makeup Party. And so it just opens up and I make these little 3x3 cards. And I put a little rub on that says Count Your Blessings. And 3x3 note cards. I made the envelopes, and then these are the cards. This is Shine, and I used a Wink Stella, well actually my Spectrum Noir marker, to just give it a little sheen there. And that's a little word die by Spellbinder. Say hello. That one says Shine. And that one says Smile. So I was giving this for my recipients. And then my card that I made this also on my Cricut. And the card base was just a Recollections card base, 5 by 6.5. And so this frame came from New Arrival cartridge, but I did it in Design Space. And this silhouette is, I believe it's called Sandra Evening Gown, which is from the Suburbia cartridge. And then this says Shalom in Hebrew. Actually, I did it backwards. It's Shalom this way. This last letter is supposed to be M, which it is an M. But when you, at the end of certain words, like the letter Mem, it's a final M. But my Cricut cartridge doesn't do the final letters. And if you don't speak Hebrew, it doesn't matter. But for somebody who see this and who does speak Hebrew, I'm just letting you know that I realized that's not the final Mem. But they don't have a final Mem. But anyway, that's Shalom. But that letter is not the final form. This is the correct letter M that would be in the word Shalom, but when you write it at the end of the word, the shape of it, the font changes. But I'm limited by my Cricut letters. So anyway, that's that. And on the inside, I just wrote a quick note to the recipients. And on the envelope, I just put this sticker that says Blessed. And on the inside, so I, got my little box from the mailbox to mail all the goodies in for my swap, and wasn't thinking. So first of all, I didn't give myself enough room. I didn't get a big enough box, and I had already started decorating it before I realized, crap, it's not big enough. And I need to mail it out, and I don't have time to go back and redo it. But I covered the lids, and I cut a couple scriptures out on my cartridge. I'm knocking my backdrop down. That I want to share. And this comes from the New Testament cartridge, which is going to look upside down to you, but it's not upside down, but it's the way inside the lid. So it's for I'm not ashamed of the gospel of Christ, Romans 1:16. And this one says, I am the way, the truth, and the life, John 14:6. Because I know the recipient that I'm sending it to is a believer, so I want to send some scriptures in there, some positive, words. But I had a couple more things to fit in there, and it is so tight. And I don't want to squish my stuff too bad, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this, and I don't know how long it will take me to go get the start all over again and redecorate another box to get this done, which I may have to do that because everything is not fitting. Yeah, so anyway, that was pretty much it. So next time, before you decorate a box, make sure all your stuff fit, because I still have 2 other things that I want to get in there that's not going to fit. Yeah, so, and I need to get a swap out. I got to figure that one out. But anyway, so just FYI, when you do that, I only have room to put all my stuff in there. But anyway, I couldn't even decorate. I had to keep all my decorations just plain with a number on them because there's no room. I can't do any fancy decorating because it is so tight. And of course, I brought more than what I thought I was going to do. But anyway, thanks for liking and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.